So, as most of you know, this is not my first GR86. My first one was Neptune Blue, which I still believe is the best color for the GR86. Now, there are a few similarities from this GR86 to the other, like the GR shift knob that I have in here came standard, but there are more differences than there are similarities. One of those main differences is the rear view mirror. In my other GR86, the rear view mirror was a HomeLink mirror that had auto dimming in it, which was great. I actually prefer the auto dimming mirrors and the functionality of having HomeLink, where you can open your garage door from your car without having an additional garage door opener. I also really like. The weird thing is, even though this car does not have HomeLink, which in my opinion is an upgrade, it does have adaptive cruise control, which I also like. I've heard mixed reviews about the adaptive cruise control in this car, but we'll find more out about that later. Now, fortunately, there are companies out there, specifically one company, Hachi Electronics, that makes kits where you can upgrade your standard mirror to a HomeLink mirror. See, it has those buttons right there, and this also has the auto dimming feature, which again, I really like, especially if I end up leaving this car fishbowl and not tinting it. Hachi Electronics also customizes the cable that hooks up to your car to where you can have a USB cable that connects to this. And the benefit of that is, if I want to get a dash cam in the future, I can just plug it in right there, and that goes right into the ceiling, which I think is awesome. Now, Hachi Electronics put out a really good install video on how to do this, and it's about 20 seconds long. That is how easy this process is. Now, let's see if it takes me 20 seconds or more. Ooh, it's getting warm in here. Okay, let's see here. Well, there you have it. Job done. Now, let's see if it works. Wow, there you have it. I was not even expecting it to have the direction. That's awesome. I am so pumped. Let's go. I would call that a big win. I'm really excited. I'm so glad that that worked. Really cool to have this installed here now. Like I said, there were a few differences between my first GR86 and this GR86. So that was my second mod to this GR86, which I'm pretty excited about. The first mod was the phone mount, which is pretty awesome. But man, I am so excited about this mirror. It really makes me happy that it just worked immediately. So shout out to Hachi Electronics. I am pumped. I can't believe I was not expecting it to have the compass direction indicator on there. So that's pretty freaking sweet. Yeah, I have more mods to go. I'm not gonna do too much to this car. I just want to drive it. I have hood struts I'd like to put on there, but I'll save that for another video. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, smash that like button. Subscribe for more GR86 content, more car content in general. If you have any questions about this mod, please don't hesitate to reach out, and I'm looking forward to getting this thing on the road. So I'll see you next time. So I realized after the fact that I had not finished installing my center roof console, but don't worry, it's in there now. My bad. I was just really excited to have this mirror in, and I'm really excited to start driving it. So, anyways, peace.